So I'm literally running out the door. I'm heading to Sylvia Park to meet Annalie and Megan for a brunch, and I'm really excited because I haven't been out for brunch in so long, and I just really need poached eggs in my life. But like I said, I'm running out the door. Missy Moo, I'm off. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'll be back soon. I'm actually really tired today. It's Easter tomorrow, so we get 4 days off, so that'll be nice. Liam will be off work, so I'm excited to like have him to myself. And yeah, we're going away to Hahe, and then tonight we've got the Easter show, so we've got lots going on, so that's good. But yeah. There she is. Hi, are you a vlogger?
Again.
Oh my god, hi. Had a fun hug with you.
Oh, and the camera going. Wait, what?
Yeah, no,
how do you do this?
Like this. And then you just like it.
Hi, good. It's been so long.
This is such a cute spot. I think it's like a bar as well. And that's like the cafe.
Yeah. Maybe a little early.
I know. Oh look, espresso martinis, $13.
Hello, good morning.
What time is it?
It's 10:30.
Oh, I'm just gonna sip on this divine pineapple juice. I'm actually really sad. I feel like I should cut down on caffeine.
I don't agree with you, but I respect your decision.
I'm actually really jealous because I can smell it.
How good.
And I'm just gonna sit here with like freaking pineapple juice. Oh well, it's fine. Okay, look who's here! Yay! Okay.
I need a coffee. Paparazzi on Annalie.
Okay, I want like a proper YouTube video, fashion Zara haul right now in the cafe.
Right now, my whole philosophy was I don't have any nice, like, comfortable clothes.
Yeah.
When I'm at home and working, and I can't just up and leave and look cute. I've always got to get changed again.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, love. I love that. That's like, I like, that's my colour. Oh, yes. Yes.
So good.
That colour. Oatmeal. Yes.
Love. Yes, oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
What a beige.
Oh, beautiful. Is that H&M?
Yes, this is H&M now.
Cool. Very nice. We need to get you a coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, I think Blair will like that one. With the button down.
So I feel like we're close enough to when I was a lawyer, but without actually going into corporate attire. And I'm gonna pair that with something more casual, like some jean shorts or a skirt like this. Then I've got
yes. I am all over those at the moment.
And
so it's a little bit later. I think it's, what's the time? 4:04, and Liam is on his way home. He's finished work for the week, and then we're gonna go and buy Easter eggs for each other, like together. We thought we might do it as a surprise, but then we were like, that would just be really shit if we didn't get each other the Easter egg that we actually really wanted. So we just decided we'll just do it together. And then we're going to the Easter show with our friends Ollie and Danny, and we are so excited. Last year I was at Coachella on Easter, and Liam was really sad. And then the Easter before that we weren't together, so we've never actually had like an Easter weekend away together. So going to like the carnival for the Easter show will be so fun because there's a petting zoo. I think moustache cookies are gonna be there, and I freaking love moustache cookies. And there are so many rides, and they're so expensive, but I just don't even care. Like I'm gonna go on the bumper cars, and I will spend whatever I have to. The delivery man just arrived. And what this? So I thought before I head out, we'll open it up together. Okay, so we've got 2 little eggies. Yum. But what is this? Oh, this is quite hard to do with one hand. Okay, I have absolutely no idea what is in this. Oh, are you kidding me? I'm like frozen. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I had no idea this was coming. Is this real? How can I open this? Guys, I'm freaking out right now. Oh my god. Just a very casual Easter present. Oh my god, thank you so much to the team at GHD. Like, I am officially lost for words. I probably need to stop talking because I'm freaking out. Oh my gosh, I haven't had a new GHD in years. I am so excited about this. What is my life? I don't know. Best Easter ever.
We're on our way to the Easter show, and I'm so excited because there's a petting zoo. You want to see a goat?
A bully goat?
Yeah. I'm so bloody excited.
I'm just gonna spend all my money on rides. Okay, we've got a map. I just want to know where the petting zoo is. Other
Follow
side?
the smell of the rabbit poo.
I can actually smell the rabbit poo. Teacups!
Well, as you can see, everyone in Auckland is out here tonight.
It's quite quiet.
What's going on?
I remember literally a few years ago when I went here, this whole area would be like packed with people and it'd be like hard to walk through.
I think it's quite early.
Ooh! Will you go on it with me?
Maybe. Not after an ice cream though.
Oh my god, I think it stops like midway up. Oh, let's go on the ghost train. You gonna win me a toy? Oh, it's so pretty.
Always the way out.
It was actually easier than I thought though.
Yeah.
I thought there was going to be
Danny,
real
should we do the clowns?
I'm so bad at this.
This is so hard. Hello, little sheepies. Come here, horsey. Come here. He looks a little bit confused, but fair enough. He's in like a big warehouse. Look at this little guy. Piggy. Hey. Come here. Oh my gosh, he's so little. Come here. Come here. Oh, hello. Hello, little cutie. Oh my gosh. What a little cutie pie. I really want a piglet now.
I'm a little bit scared.
I know, I'm just looking how tatty everything is.
I'm now remembering all the news stories that I've seen.
Have you seen the pins in front of you? Like how old they look? Oh, the tunes are playing.
I don't know if I should have my camera out or not.
Probably not.
Oh no, it's getting faster.
Put it down. Be careful.
Oh shit!
My stomach feels real weird.
Oh my god, I actually feel sick.
It's rock. Holy shit!
Hi guys, it's Friday today and we're just about to go on our road trip to our place in Hahei, so very excited to just get out of Auckland. We're gonna get some lunch and then it's like a 2-hour drive, like slightly just over 2 hours, so it's like a good roadie length. We're at this really nice breakfast spot and it's like right next to the playground over here. And you can see all the hills, it's really pretty. But we just ordered iced chocolates and then breakfast. So I got poached eggs on toast, and what did you get, babe?
Big breakfast.
Big breakfast. This is literally my perfect breakfast.
It's such a beautiful day. I'm so happy to be here. Last time we were here, it literally rained every single day. So, as you can see,
The weather is behaving.
so pretty much our plan for the day, we obviously want to head to the beach because it's bloody nice. But I think we're going to go over to Whittier for a bit because my grandparents are moving house, so we're going to help them move their house and then go to the beach and get ice cream, and then we're going out for dinner tomorrow night. But we might go out again tonight because I just want to make the most of it. I just want to get to the beach now. So it's quite a bit later now. We're going on an adventure. We're on the end of the beach and we're doing like a little walk that goes on the top of the hill, and then on the other side there's like some really pretty views. So we're just going up there. Maybe we've got the drone, so we're going to fly the drone. We're going to take some pretty pictures and just enjoy the nature. It's quite a nice little walk through here. It's like 6 o'clock, so we're here at like the perfect time of the day to get like that beautiful like golden sunset. I like to shoot.
I thought you said it was a short walk.
It's not a short, it is a short walk. It's like, it's not like doing hot water beach, but it's like...
At least you look dressed for it.
Yeah. So we'll take some nice pictures. So we're gonna walk up there. And it's actually not a far walk, it's fine. From here, yeah, you can see the whole beach. Oh, that is so pretty.
It was such a nice day today, but we didn't actually go for a swim at the beach, which was a shame, but we're here till Monday night, so all day tomorrow and all day Monday meant to be like beautiful sunshine. So I think tomorrow will be like a full beach day as well as the next day, so excited. And it's pretty much just going to be like the last swim that we have like in the New Zealand summer, because we're going to Bali in 6 weeks, but it'll be kind of like saying goodbye to the New Zealand summer. Liam's getting some drinks, but there's some live music over there and it's so nice. We're at the poorhouse and they brew all their own beer. And Liam just got, I think he just got an IPA, but he's gone out, but I'll try it and see what it's like. Oh, I normally love beer, but that was gross. It's Easter Sunday and we're at the beach. And it's so hot. I can't believe that it's April and we're at the beach. I remember all of the other Easter weekends, it would be like wintry, cold and rainy, so it's nice to be here. We haven't even been for a swim yet, so we need to get in the water because it's so freaking hot. But we've just seen all these people walking around like tourists and they're like full on like jumpers and jeans and it's literally 25 degrees. But yeah, it's so nice just to relax.
Yes.
Yes, so I think we're going to get in the water. Liam's not feeling very well. We ate too much chocolate this morning.
Look at this big fishy.
The water's cold. It might be hot, but it's so freaking cold. Refreshing though. I just find like I could be so stressed out and I'll just go for a swim and I just feel 10 times better. I just find swimming, like when you're actually in the water and you keep putting your head under, it's actually so relaxing. Yeah, majestical. Like there's just nothing else that, like there's nothing else natural that can make you feel as good as like a beach swim. This is what I've been waiting for like 2 days. We've been here for 2 days and I haven't even had one yet. Morning guys, it is Monday today and this morning's been pretty uneventful. We've just been helping my grandparents move house, so it's not really anything worth vlogging, but it's another beautiful day in Hawaii. It's like bright blue skies and we're just off to the cafe for a coffee. Honestly, this place is just the most beautiful place in the whole world. Ebbie, what are we gonna do with you? There's like 3 other dogs over there and she just hates other dogs. Hey, you may look cute but you're not very friendly. I have major food envy.
Reach.
Ebbie, reach for the stars.
Reach. No.
No.
Yep. Reach.
Come on, baby. Oh, cookie. That's her little trick.